Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. This is Cloud Institution, the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today in this video, we're going to see about another Route 53 interview question. This is the real-time interview question that can be asked during all the interviews if you're attending for the solution architect. Okay, the interview question for today is that explain the routing policies in Route 53. Okay, so as you know, what is Route 53? So Route 53 is nothing but is the DNS services. So that DNS services can be used for various purposes, DNS registration and creating hoster zones and creating DNS records and so on. Okay, so can you explain the routing policies? So most of the people doesn't know about so what is the routing policies and why we are using routing policies. So we have different types of routing policies are available in Route 53. Okay, so now we'll see what are the different Route 53 routing policies. Okay, so Route 53 supports several routing policies such as simple routing policy, weighted routing policy, latency-based routing policy, failover routing policy, geolocation routing policy, multi-value routing, IP-based, and geo proximity. Okay, so it supports these many routing policies. Okay, so if you go for interview, the interviewer asks you about like what are the different types of routing policies and if you can explain all these things, at least if you can explain some 5 to 6 services of the routing policies, then it will be really the impressive for the interviewer. Okay, so now let's see, go back to, so where do you see the routing policies? Okay, so let's go back to the console. As you can see here, we have a route 3. Okay, so click on route 53. All right, so once you click on route 53, go to hosted zones. Okay, so DNS management, we have three hosted zones. Okay, these are all test hosted zones. Okay, so we are not using it anything. This is for testing. Okay, so now cloudtraining.com. So this is kind of a dummy hosted zone. Okay, if you can go for a create record, okay, click on create record. As you can see here, so the routing policies, right? So here is the routing policies. You can see all the routing policies will be located over here. So simple, weighted, geolocation, latency, failover, multi-value answer, so IP based geo proximity, and these kind of this many routing policies are available in route 53. Okay, we should be explaining the questions like that. Okay, so hope you understand this question in what is the answer for this particular question, is that right? So in the future videos, we are going to see, as part of interview questions, we'll be seeing like, so what are the each routing policies will represents and what is the purpose of these things. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you're preparing for the interview, okay, so these kind of interview questions are really helpful for you to prepare, interview, and it will be really helpful for you to crack the interview as well. Okay, so if you like the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and please stay tuned for the rest of the videos in the future. Thank you, guys.